Tech Flavor. Now we talked about how we can create this thing you are seeing here on our previous video. If you missed that video, please watch it. We are going to put it in our description. My Tech Flavor Hub will be dedicated to show you how to do things, how to do some DIY things so that it will be easy for you. Okay. Then when we'll go to this is our blogger interface. This is our blogger interface. If you want to create a new post, you just come to new post. Come to new post here. Enter your post title. Let's say we our niche is crime. As we discussed, for better SEO, you need to niche down to a specific topic that is available, that you can always get something to write about. Don't just go and say how to buy fuel in filling station. It doesn't make sense. No. Don't just say fuel in filling station. Every day we reporting this one bought filling. It doesn't make sense. You need to keep your audience entertained. You need to keep them with updates of what is happening. You understand? You need to keep them updated with what is happening, with the current happening in the world. And once you do this, then you are good to go. You are good to go. Okay, let me proceed. Let me say my title is the global market today. I will say the global market today has dollar triple against opposition currency which has given the dollar more marketable power. Okay, now let's say this is what we want to write. We put our label. Our label should go here. Global market. No, why this label is important is once you put this label, your visitor can always come in. Let's say they come to your this thing, to your website, and they want to click on global market. Let's say you have global market, you have global business finance, you have global insurance, you have global car marketing, Tesla. You understand? You can just come to global market and they will now see everything concerning the global market. Once I'm done with this, I'll click on publish. I will click on publish. Once it's published, let me view my website and see how it's looking. Okay, it's looking like this. But it is not looking fine. Don't worry, we're going to make this look fabulous. We're going to make it look fabulous. Okay, so once we've done this, then the next thing for us to do is it's good we add posts, meaningful posts on our website, so that we can from start making wave. Let's say I've written something about this particular thing, and let's say people are really searching for it, and there are not much people writing about this very particular topic. What will happen? It will give my website a very clean road to excel, to grow up faster than it should. or than it would have. Let me not use the word should than it would have been. So that's the importance of writing a very good blog post. This thing cannot really give us when somebody comes to our website and see this information here. This is not even up to description. Up to description. Like it's not up to 50, it's not up to 20 words. You understand? So we need something very informative for you to be able to for you to be able to for you to be able to do this thing. Get views. Remember, we are creating this thing for us to get views from people. We don't want to create a graveyard website where nobody comes for any information. We don't want to do that. We want to create an informative website that people can come and learn and get updated on what they should know about the global market. That's the essence of creating our website. So in our next video, I will proceed in teaching you guys more how to do this thing. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like this video and invite your friends to join us.